I don't want to be happy. I want to be great. Everything I want, other people want. Everything I desire, other men are trying to give. This is a war, and I must outcome it.
Wagwan my people, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your boy, official young doctor. So now, today we're gonna be making it simple and precise. We're gonna be doing one of one YouTube vlog of the year. I think this will be hashtag #1 YouTube video of the year, and we are gonna be working out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Nimejaribu na cable imekataa, nikituma ina take long. Nganya, unasema siwezi panda ingine nganya. Kwani ulibai mwenje bichi? Hapana. Uliunda? Ancestors.
Sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for is in the
Gari zao walikuwa wamekatazwa kupima. Ndio ninaona. Ever since I was a kid, I've been in the gym. So alikuwa nafanya zitakuwa zinafaa kukaa hivyo play. Hizi mko na kamera point. Hey! Ushtue.
sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for is in the
So my people are gonna give the bad boy some gas. Let's see. Nampiga full tank. Nampiga full tank. Tajiri anasema nampiga full tank. Wambia full tank. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe. So guys, the thing is you're working for a logistics company that does transportation for things, and all we want from you guys is for you to subscribe. Actually, I'm still finding the edit and possible to like subscribe. The subscription really matters. Let's do the hits. So guys, what I can say is, the quote of the day is, when you have two frogs, eat the ugly one first. When you have two frogs, eat the ugly one first. Eat the ugly one first. And basically the day has begun. So this is a day of a normal trucker, a day of a normal person who does the logistics work. Logistics truck driver and co-driver. Oh my god. Okay, a quick show of the cockpit. Nataka kuuma the newest model. Nataka kumwambia acha mpe kiss. Let me show you. Watu wangu Arsenal, yes bana. By the way, mimi naona Arsenal ikinini kibeba kikombe. Naona Arsenal ikibeba kikombe.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo.
Wallahi.
Ameacha nani na points ngapi?
3.
Kwa hivyo washike game moja.
Obviously Man City watashinda, juu tumepatiwa timu ndogo. Sisi tutashinda. Lakini niko sure tutapatana na Man City at 1 point. Fine, game ya mwisho hivi kabisa. Guys, you can rate my camera out of 10 for comment section. Tuende sahi. Actually, the sun is so cool. This is the best thing of having this phone. Aduko parara aje. Let me educate you for the day. One of the actual things that I've ever learned as a construction manager is that we really need to appreciate the basic fact that construction has brought a very good basis in life. Actually, starting from building of roads, it's all about having structural designs, the beautiful structural designs, even where you live. This is one of the things that imekuwa ikikuwa raised concern. Because since I have videos of yesterday of places where there is only vegetation, I don't want to say that agricultural is biased, but what I want to say is we really need to appreciate how these structures zinaweza to create the basic scenery ya venye life inakaa. I don't know, for me I say I love structures. I love to see them the way they are. I love to design some. I love even one day to see designing one starting from the laptop using ArchiCAD to a point that I'm on the ground making it a reality. That's one of the things that I'm desiring so that I can see, so that I can be able to be amongst them. Actually, one of the dreams that I had before I journeyed into construction project management is this. Actually, it's that. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, manze. If you know, you know. Sometimes it's phenomenal for us to understand what we want, but God has got a bigger picture of whatever we need to work on, and God has got everything that we need to place our desire in. So, I was drifted by basic reasons. So guys, make sure you hit your subscribe button and like. You may share to your family, friends, and everyone that you can be able to share to adequately ASAP. Back to the vlog. Leo nganya ya mood. The baddest. Actually, I love structures. I don't know why. I just love structures naturally. Guys, when I tell you about creativity, this is what I mean. This is actually what I mean when I talk about creativity. Look at that. Look at how the roads are. Hey, Kenya is actually doing something. Can't lie. Let me spot that aeroplane. Ah, very nice. Oh, leo tunaenda kuchukua huko tukileta huko. Look at that big bad boy. The big bad boy.
Usitoke man.
Stands. Hey guys, I'm enjoying a forklift for the day. Subscribe. Guys, we are already loaded. delivery time. Yeah, delivery time. Keep on liking and subscribing. Enjoy. Borani. Chop. Huko watu wanalala na babu, wanaongojea kazi. Wanaongojea kazi. Na relax kando ya barabara. Hiyo ni park. Sasa leo unaweza pitishwa kwa ile ya kupima. Ndio hizo nimeona. Basi nimeona sasa nimepata. Najua sasa nimepata. Umeiona maji? Umeiona? Pale. So unabebanga lakini ukishika. Sasa nimeona.
24.
Late night spent with screens aglow, watching patterns form and flow. Discipline over fear, that's the game. Each candle flicker ignites my flame. Oh! Patience is a virtue, hustle is my creed. Trade smart, keep your mind intact. Grinding daily, that's a fact. From the charts to the skies above, this trader's journey fueled by love. From drawdowns deep, I'll rise anew. Every loss a lesson, every gain a brew. Trust the setup, feel the thrill.